So yes, viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are here with episode 147, the third part, which begins with Usman also attacking Takfur Leon with his spies, and Takfur Leon is coming with his spies. And in a little while, Usman gets trapped in the trap set by B, and he is badly trapped in the trap set by Usman, and his spies have surrounded him from all sides. Now Takfur Leon is well trapped in the trap set by Usman. In a little while Usman comes there, and keep the walls and the walls of the walls strong. Keep the archers on the walls and the walls. Come on, go. Then the Atranis's Takfur is told to Olivia, the walls of Atranis are strong, do not worry. Olivia says that even though the walls are strong, the Ottoman will find a way to enter. Close the straight passages. The Takfur says, do as the soldiers say. You have a good idea, Olivia. The Ottoman will test these ways like rats. It is not that he will pass through the great walls of Atranis. This is where the battle between the Ottoman and the Atranis' soldiers has begun, and the Ottoman soldiers are killing the Slavs. When all the soldiers of Takfur Leon are killed, then the soldiers of Osman catch Takfur Leon. Aladdin says, Takfur, you are breathing very hard, but we are not as evil as you think. We need you. Soldier, bring water. But Aladdin gives water to Takfur Leon and says, drink it and come to your senses. Osman also says, drink it. Takfur Leon then drinks water. Takfur Leon says, why don't you kill me, Osman? Osman also says, how do you know I'm not killing you? The water you drank was poisonous. How can you do this? Osman also says to bring it. Then Osman's soldiers catch Fulian and take him from there. This way, Bayandar also has a look on Orhan and that girl. Bayandar also says that they do not look Mongol at all. After the destruction of the Al-Khani, many local tribes also went into the Mongol army. You heard the Al-Jumkatun. Now they have the conquests of Hasan Sabah. It has always been difficult for us, but this work is the most difficult. Orhan also has tied the hands of Al-Jumhatun, and Al-Jumhatun says the Quran says that it is impossible for our men to go from there. The castle has been completely surrounded. One officer says from the roof of the castle that the Turks are coming. Only a few officers on horses. The Kala's Takfur is called Usman. The Quran says to tell your Takfurs that Usman is also coming. Open the door. The Kala's Takfur says from the roof of the castle that what gave Usman the courage to come here? Bolivia says that he definitely has something. The Quran says that we have the Kala's Takfur. You either open the door or we will break your walls. Come on, open the door. I said open the door. He is saying from inside, never let him come into your arms. Olivia says, bring him the Takfur. Let him come inside, he can't harm us. We have the power. Look, Fira, this whole scene is hidden. Olivia says, he has the Takfur of the Kete. Let him come inside. The Takfur of the Petranas is called Fogio. Open the door. They open the door, and the Ottomans also enter with the Takfur of the Kete with their soldiers. The Ottomans also say, don't you know what happens to those who cross our borders? Take your Takfur. Orhan also says how he sold people and will tell about treason. You will not like any of these. The Quran says that the new generation promised us gold in return for this prisoner. Now give us our gold. The soldier says we will give you gold, but first hand over the woman to us. The Quran says, now stop, we will give you one thing, and that is our sword. Then the Orhanbiya soldiers say to the soldiers, soldiers, the essence of Allah is indestructible. And then the Orhanbiya soldiers attack the Mongols and start cutting the Mongols. There is a great battle here. If you are a spy who watches videos, did you subscribe to the channel? If you didn't, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Anyway, this is not part of our episode. This is just a reminder to you. In the trailer, we see that Usman is also saying, now tell us everything. The area of Takfur says that the person who knows that he is going to die, why will he confess? Usman also says that if your life can be saved by saying, then you will say. Takfur looks at Usman and Usman says here, you know what is in it. It has your treatment. Takfur says, your eye. Usman, no, wait, I'll tell you. Then Takfur says Mir Gorkulu Khan. He was going to take over all the Kalas of the Takfurs. Then the Takfur of Atranis says that even though he knew it, You will stand with him. Then Takfur says to Osman, Osman, give me the trident. Osman also says that it is not over yet. Speak. Then Takfur says Gorkulu Khan, after taking over the Kalas, he was going to give it all to me. So I helped him. Then he says to Osman, Osman, there is not much time, I will die. Give me the trident. You want this. Then the Ottomans throw the river down and its glass breaks. And then the Takfur says, what did you do? This was the last chance for me to live. The Ottomans also say, Takfur, what you drank was only water. There was no poison in it that was flowing in your blood. It is the fear of death. Here we see that after killing the Mongols, Aljim Hatun is heading towards her father's body and holding her father's hand and crying. Aljim Hatun Orhan also tells her that we could not reach Orhan on time. Then Orhan also removes the cloth from the dead body's mouth, and Aljim Hatun gives it to her, and is happy that Orhan is not my father. He is not my father, Orhan. Orhan also says, thank God. In such a long time, Black Jalasun comes there and says to Orhan that no one can save you today. Orhan says, Black Jalasun, now I will kill you. This time you will not be able to escape from me. But first tell me, where is Akvashni Gandus? Black Jalasun says to his servants, servants, kill them all. Orhan also tells his soldiers, soldiers, attack. This way we see that Osman is also saying, I will leave this dog for you. Osman also says, I will not kill this dog. What does the Ottoman also want from us? The Ottoman also says that the income that you promised to pay me immediately. The Takfur of Atranus says that the Ottoman also cannot pay you in a week. The Ottoman also says that today you will pay today. If not, I will take your lands for the sake of the Mausai. This is my last thing. Olivia says that there is no other way except this. Takfur, I will send a letter to the emperor. What will you say, Olivia? Olivia says that Rome's Jala, I will ask the emperor to send it. Holofira is surprised to hear these things, and Takfur says that if Rome's Jala comes and Orhan's soldiers are cutting the Mongols like carrots and radish, then Orhan catches Karadrasan and tells him to get up with my family, and whatever you did to my people, you will pay for it. Orhan is killing Karadrasan. Orhan says, I told you that you will not be able to escape from me today. Now, Karadrasan, you will either open your mouth here or I will kill you. Eljam Hatun says, tell me, where is my father? Where is my sister-in-law? Tell me. Orhan catches Eljam Hatun. Karadrasan says, do you think you will find them? Aljama Hatun says, tell me or I will break your lungs. Urahan says, calm down. I know how to make the dog open his mouth. Give me an order. Urahan says, we will talk to this bastard, but not here. We will talk to him in the city. Mahinda B will take this bastard to the city. He will wait in the dungeon. Mahinda B says, do not worry at all. Until he does not talk here, he will not die. Urahan says, Aljama Hatun, where are your father and sister-in-law? We will find out from this dog. We will make him open his mouth, but we have to go to the city first. We catch the black and white Jerasan of Osman and take it from there. And with this, our episode 147 ends with the third. Viewers, we hope you liked our video, so like the video and subscribe to the channel. We will meet with another such video with a heart. Till then, Allah Hafiz.